Hey guys, welcome back to another spaghetti adventure. My name is Tommy and this is my NC1 Miata. I recently picked up these headlights is off of the 2013 to 2015 Mazda NC Miata. As you can see, these headlights have the black housing and they look super aggressive. So the headlight that's currently on my car is from the NC2 Miata, which is from model year 2009 to 2012. And as you can see, they have more like a silver inner housing. Other than the color of the inner housing, the headlight assembly is actually identical. Alright, so I have gone ahead and removed the front bumper, and this gives me access to removing the headlights. This will be the last time these NC2 headlights will be on the car. Everything should be plug and play to the new headlights, and let's get going. Now we can really tell the difference once I put them side by side. You can see the top is the NC2 headlight that was on my car, and these are the NC3 headlights, silver, black. Which one do you like better? The next step is to transfer some of the bulbs from my old headlight to the new headlight. This is the light bulb for the high beam that I'm running. It is a yellow tinted light bulb, and once you put it in the headlight, it gives this really cool effect. The yellow tinted light bulb gets reflected in the high beam bulb housing, and it gives this really cool kind of yellow tinted effect at a certain angle when you look at the headlight. And I also really like that it contrasts with the turn signal, the amber versus yellow. And the reason why you want the ability to be able to rotate or clock the bulb to a certain direction is because on the NC headlight, you see the little notch at 7 o'clock position. If you get bulbs that is not able to rotate, you'll get very poor light output. So this is the low beam bulb that I use on my car. Is from Hikari that I purchased from Amazon maybe 2 to 3 years ago. And the cool thing about it is the ability that you can rotate the base or clock the bulb to a certain direction. In addition, you will need the little adapter kind of in the middle in order to run the LED bulb. Without that, the spring clip has really nothing to kind of grab onto. So make sure if you ever get the LED bulb, you also want to get a little black plastic adapter that I'll link down below. Another thing that I want to bring up is if you have a NC1 Miata 2006 to 2008, you will no longer be able to run the NC2 or NC3 headlight harness. On the NC2 or NC3 headlight, your side marker and turn signal is actually integrated together into one bulb. And just like that, I have gone ahead and transferred the low beam and high beam bulbs over to the new headlights. I'm testing the light bulb just to make sure they work before I put everything back together. Voila! So here it is, installed. What do you guys think? I personally really like it. I like the black housing. It matches with the wheels better. The tinted taillights better. Just ties the whole car together really well. If you have any questions about these headlights or like the light bulb situation, make sure to drop a comment down below. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel as well. Follow us for more specking adventure. Bye!